guys, it's Kelly. I just wanted to come at you with a quick little video to kind of show you what I have done to make filming easier on me. And yeah, I've reorganized some things and just thought that I would show you. So what I have done, I have kind of taken over my dining room. This is my dining room. That's the buffet. It's kind of cramped to one side. It's not a very big room, but what I've done, I decided that I needed a better place to work and I needed a better chair to work out of. So what I did is I went to the store and I got one of these thick, so that I wouldn't scratch my table or accidentally cut through anything. So I put that there. I've got my Erin Condren in here. I got some things that I need to haul there. And of course I've got my Happy Planner that I did my health and fitness in. I've got an additional lamp there to add light, especially in low light times like the evening and that sort of thing. Of course, there's my tripod that I use. It's really nothing fancy. It's just something cheap I got off of Amazon. And then what I've done is I have this basket here, and it has all of my 3-ring binders that include all of my stickers. And so I've got that sitting close by. I've got so many stickers that I need to use, guys, but I do have that basket. And here what I have are either, it's a combination of most used stickers or stickers that need to be used up. And so I just have those in a stack there because I'm going to try and attempt one of those use it up plans. I don't know if I'm talented enough to put together all the different stickers and do, you know, a full plan with me on it, but I'm going to try. I had all of my washi on rings before, and I had those on little hooks that were in my office, and my office is just too dark to film in or to plan in. So I went to Michael's and they had these on sale. Let me kind of show you. You might want to screenshot this, but they had these on sale. They were regular $6.99 and they were 40% off. They did not have them over where the other containers are, but this top one, I mean, it's just a real easy, you know, you just open it on each side. This top one here, I do have some washi that's very glittery and that will not stay rolled up. I just put it in a bag. But what I've done is I've got most of my holiday washi in here, as you can see. It's so much easier to just, and I have like my 3mm washi and my more narrow washi there. And then these are like little miniature rolls of washi. So I kind of have these things just packed in here. And I just closed the lid on it, you know, that sort of thing. And I only needed 2 of these, and it was a really cheap, but more, you know, it's a more concise. This is just my washi stash here that I was able to fit in this one. It just works out so well because they stack together, and I can go straight to it, open the lids, grab the washi I'm looking for, or if I don't know what I want to use, then I grab that. So this is just my new setup here. So I've got my stickers right here beside where I work, so I can grab for whatever I need. And then I have all my washi and my bag. This actually came from Target. It was a Nate Berkus brand. I really liked it because it was long, and it's longer than your typical pencil bag. And I really liked it. It's kind of like a burlap with a hint, I don't know if you can see the sparkle in it, but it has a gold thread run through it or whatever. It holds all of my pens and any of the other tools that I use for planning, and it just seems to work out really good. I was scattered all over my living room, on my coffee table. I mean, it has just been a real mess, but I really do think that this setup is going to be best for me. I think it's going to probably work out for me a lot better. Things look neater. If I need to clean up really fast, all I have to do is pick up a basket and a couple of containers. But yeah, guys, I just wanted you to kind of see what I'm working with now. I took the rings and left them only on the small washi to keep them, you know, kind of round up better because they're hard to stack in these containers. But the other rings, I've kind of put them away for now. This kind of storage is just easier for me. I feel like I have a pretty good bit of washi. And with the amount of washi that I have, I wanted to be able to look at it and see everything I've got. When you've got it all on this hoops, it's just, you can miss it real easily. And I had 5 or 6 hoops and I was constantly changing back and forth. And so, yeah, I didn't want to do that anymore. So anyway, I'm still using my ring bound system. I only have one large one. That's where I put most of my Libby & Co stickers at. And then all of my other stickers, of course, are in these, you know, these things like this. So, and I have quite a few of those. And I have a few of the Doris sticker books just sort of stuck in the corner here. But yeah, this is what's working for me. And sometimes I use wrapping paper across the top underneath my planning just for color, especially if I'm doing a real pale spread that doesn't have a lot of color. So I'll do that. And I mean, I've just found that like at Walmart and places like that, I'll just spread that over the table, you know, and plan on top of it. And it, you know, it makes for a little bit more interest. But anyway, just thought I would share with you guys since I had kind of updated from what I had shown you last time. And so yeah, that's going to be it. I just hope that you guys are having a great day. I hope that you have a wonderful upcoming weekend. I'm going to be trying to upload another makeup look soon. And then, of course, this weekend, I'll be doing my planner videos. I haven't done my planner, my happy planner yet this week. I have spent 2 nights in the hospital this week for sleep studies and things like that. And, yeah, it's just sort of gotten away from me. So, otherwise, I'm just going to keep up with the way things are going. So I hope you guys like this quick little view of what I've done and how I have organized myself. And maybe it'll inspire you to go get some of these from Target and organize your washi. It just makes for a very easy way to keep it corralled and you can see what you've got. So yeah, that's going to be it. Please give me a thumbs up, guys. I would really appreciate that. If you're new, be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't lose me out in La La Land. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Love you.